Beneath the waves, Earth's oceans are home to some of the most bizarre fish species ever discovered. From the anglerfish, with its eerie bioluminescent lure used to attract prey in the deep-sea darkness, to the blobfish, whose gelatinous appearance has earned it a reputation as one of the world's ugliest creatures. The leafy sea dragon blends perfectly with seaweed, while the fangtooth boasts oversized, menacing teeth. Each of these extraordinary fish showcases the wild creativity of evolution.
Have you ever seen a fish that walks? Or one that can breathe air? The ocean is full of creatures that defy our understanding. Join us as we dive into the world of the most bizarre fish species on Earth. Did you know there's a fish that uses its blood to attract prey? Or another that can camouflage itself to become invisible? Get ready to be amazed by the unbelievable adaptations of some of the most unique fish in the world. Forget what you think you know about fish. This video is about the weirdos, the outcasts, the fish that make you say, "What the heck is that?" Prepare to meet the most bizarre, unbelievable fish species you've ever seen. Go dive into the weird, uncovering Earth's most bizarre fish. The ocean, vast and unknowable, covers more than 70% of our planet. But we've explored only a fraction of it. Beneath the surface, in the depths where sunlight fades, countless species remain undiscovered. Every dive into these waters reveals creatures that defy expectations, evolving in ways both astonishing and eerie. This video brings you face to face with some of the ocean's most unusual fish. Those that look, move, and behave in ways that challenge everything we think we know about marine life. From fish that can walk along the sea floor, to those that seem more like aliens than animals. Each species showcased here pushes the limits of adaptation. Yet, as much as we marvel at these deep-sea wonders, their survival is intertwined with ours. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction threaten even the most resilient ocean life. Conserving these environments isn't just about preserving their mystery, it's about protecting the fragile balance that keeps our planet thriving. Which bizarre fish fascinates you the most? The deep sea, where the strange dwell. Beneath the waves, past the sunlight and the twilight zones, lies the abyss, a world so extreme that it bends the rules of life itself. Here, creatures exist in crushing pressure, perpetual darkness, and frigid temperatures. Without sunlight, food is scarce, and survival depends on ingenuity. One of the deep's most famous residents is the anglerfish, a nightmare given form. With a bioluminescent lure dangling from its forehead, it tricks unsuspecting prey into approaching, before snapping them up with needle-like teeth. This eerie adaptation allows it to thrive in a place where hunting requires deception. Then there's the blobfish, often misunderstood and unfairly labeled ugly. In its natural deep-sea habitat, it doesn't have the saggy, gelatinous shape we see in shallow water photos. It looks more like an ordinary fish, but when brought to the surface, the drastic change in pressure causes its body to lose structure, resulting in its signature droopy appearance. It's a perfect example of how deep-sea life is shaped, sometimes literally, by extreme conditions. The deep sea is filled with wonders like these, each defying expectations in a world without light. What fascinates you most about it? Fishy with flamboyant features. The ocean is home to some dazzling masterpieces of evolution, each fish shaped by the demands of its environment, some blending in, others standing out with the striking colors and unusual forms. Here are three remarkable species that redefine what it means to be eye-catching. Leafy sea dragon. A marvel of camouflage, this elegant creature looks more like drifting seaweed than a fish. Its delicate leaf-like appendages allow it to blend seamlessly into kelp forests and seagrass meadows, helping it evade predators. Despite its ornate appearance, the leafy sea dragon is a slow-moving, methodical hunter, relying on suction to feed on tiny crustaceans. Mandarin fish. Living up to its name, the mandarin fish is a spectacle of neon blues, vivid oranges, and intricate patterns. Unlike most fish, it lacks scales, instead having a mucus-covered skin that protects it from parasites and predators. Found in coral reefs, it plays a crucial role in the ecosystem while dazzling observers with its psychedelic hues. Boxfish. An oddity. With a square-shaped body, the boxfish moves unlike most fish, capable of maneuvering in all directions with surprising precision. Its rigid, bony armor provides protection, but it also has a secret weapon. When threatened, it can release a toxic secretion to deter predators. Despite its compact frame, this quirky fish glides through the water with a mesmerizing, almost mechanical grace. The ocean is full of surprises, and these flamboyant fish are just the beginning. Which one fascinates you the most? Apau. Fish with extraordinary abilities. The underwater world is full of surprises, but some fish take adaptation to a whole new level, defying expectations with abilities that border on the supernatural. Here are 3 species that prove nature is the ultimate engineer. Electric eel. Despite its name, the electric eel isn't technically an eel. It's a type of knife fish. It generates powerful electrical charges, capable of stunning prey or deterring predators. This ability comes from specialized cells called electrocytes, which work like tiny biological batteries. When the eel activates them all at once, it delivers shocks reaching up to 860 volts, more than enough to immobilize a small animal. Lungfish. Meet the ultimate survivor. The lungfish possesses both gills and lungs, allowing it to breathe air when water becomes scarce. Some species can even burrow into mud and remain dormant for months, sometimes years, until conditions improve. This incredible adaptation has helped lungfish endure harsh environments for over 400 million years, earning them the title of living fossils. Archerfish. The archerfish has mastered precision hunting, striking its prey with uncanny accuracy. It shoots powerful jets of water to knock insects off branches and into the water, where they become easy meals. The fish calculates angles and refraction before firing, adjusting for the distortion caused by water. An astonishing feat of visual and cognitive processing. These extraordinary fish showcase just how ingenious life can be. Which of their abilities impresses you the most? Uncovering the mysteries of the ocean. The ocean, vast and enigmatic, remains one of Earth's greatest frontiers. Despite decades of exploration, scientists estimate that more than 80% of the deep sea remains uncharted, hiding countless undiscovered species in its depths. Every expedition unveils new wonders, from bioluminescent creatures that illuminate the darkness to ancient marine giants that challenge our understanding of evolution. Yet, as we uncover these marvels, we must also recognize the fragility of ocean ecosystems. Pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction threaten even the most resilient marine life, making conservation efforts more urgent than ever. By supporting ocean research, sustainable fishing practices, and marine protected areas, we can safeguard these incredible creatures for generations to come. The ocean's mysteries are far from solved, but its future depends on us. Whether through education, advocacy, or lifestyle changes, every action makes a difference. Let's dive deeper, not just into discovery, but into preservation. Because protecting our seas means protecting the very heart of our planet. What aspect of marine conservation interests you the most?